Please take out math page 75 with 76 on the back. Today we are doing our Chapter 3 review, Lesson 3.11. Go ahead and grab your pencil and we're going to work through this together. This is going to prepare us for our test tomorrow, okay? So the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to match 1 to 1. So we have some balls of yarn and we have some cats, and this is just an easy activity where they want us to give each item one thing. So a ball of yarn for each cat, just connecting yarn to each cat. Pretty easy stuff there. Okay, so 1 to 1, 1 yarn for 1 cat, 1 yarn for 1 cat, 1 yarn for 1 cat, 1 yarn for 1 cat. We have the same number of both things, so there's a ball of yarn for each cat. Okay. By the blue star, they want us to count and circle. They want us to look at this and see which group has more. Now, I can count real easily. I have 1, 2, 3 leashes, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs. Well, 4 is more than 3, so I am going to circle the dogs. This is more. By the green star in this box, they want me to circle the group that I have less of. So I have 2 mice, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cheeses. They want me to circle the group that's less. Well, 2 is less than 5. I am going to circle the mice. By the yellow star, they want me to count and circle 4 things. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dog foods altogether. I'm not going to circle all 5. They just want me to circle 4. So I'm going to draw. First of all, I'm just going to make a dot on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my 4. So these are the ones I need to circle. Now I'm going to just draw a big circle around them. So that is my 4. I am just circling the number they have indicated, which is 4. I'm not circling all of them, just 4. This time they want me to circle 7. Well, I'm going to go through and I'm just going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't need to continue counting because I just need to circle a group of 7. I've counted to 7 and now I'm going to circle that group. Easy peasy. Tomorrow you'll be given very similar questions on our test. Okay. Taking your page and flipping it over. Now we're going to do some drawing. Okay, so at the top by the red star, they want me to draw the same number of clouds that there are kites. Well, I have 1, 2, 3 kites. So that means I need a cloud for each kite. There's a cloud for that kite, a cloud for that kite, and a cloud for this kite. 3. I have the same number. Okay, down here, bubbles. They want me to have 1 more. So I'm going to start by just drawing a bubble for each bubble blower. So now I have the same amount, but they want me to do 1 more. So I'm going to add 1 more here. So I have more bubbles than blowers because they wanted me to draw 1 more. This time they want me to do 1 less. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of chalk, okay? Well, I need to do 1 less than that. So I'm going to just X out 1 because I'm not going to do an eraser for that group. And by Xing it out, I know that I'm going to have 1 less. There is my group of 4. I have 5 chalks and 4 erasers. 4 is 1 less than 5. At the bottom, I need to look at the picture here. These down here are the key. These don't count. It's just this section here that I'm going to graph, okay? So the first thing I need to graph is the blue jacks. You know I like to do it color coordinated. So in the picture, there are 2 blue jacks. I'm going to look at the key, and I'm going to begin at the bottom, and I'm going to make 2 spots on my graph to indicate that there are 2 blue jacks. Next, I need 2 do the red. And there's only one red ball in the picture, so I just need to make one. And then I need to switch to the silver jacks. Let me count the silver jacks in the picture. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to start at the bottom and do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've counted and graphed all the images in the photograph. That's all that you need to do. So if you have any questions about these concepts, be sure to ask me or someone at home that can help you understand these things. But it's real simple. We're just comparing numbers, okay? Same, you want the one-to-one correspondence. More, you're going to have one more. Less, you're going to have one less thing than the pictures. Alrighty, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.